What we had today was an exciting event with University High and Waco High and McLennan Community College and the three choir groups at those particular schools. It was a technological event where each of the groups got to sing together, and because of an app and a program called SoundJack, they were able to sing with very little lag time, and it was beautiful to hear them singing collectively together.
It was so good to finally see this project come to a fruition. We had been working on it, doing little testing, Dr. Sneed and I, from our houses, and then it came to the school, and then it came to a little bit more to Waco High, and to finally bring everybody together. It feels good to make music with a big group of people again. I really missed that.
And it really felt like we were all together. You could really actually feel the energy in the room like we used to.
MCC bought all the equipment and loaned it to a high school group so that we could make music together.
A clarity, you could hear each other perfectly. There was barely any background noise. You can even hear the individual parts and how they sound. And even if you made mistakes, you could fix it.
Because it's going to get even better from here. I enjoyed it a lot.
I really enjoyed it, to be singing with another choir again.
And so definitely thank you for the experience and the opportunity to sing with other choirs, because I haven't got to yet.
Well, wouldn't it be very neat if I could be here and our students in class and we could hook up to our middle school theater programs and say, hey, let's make some music. Let's sing a song today. Wouldn't you like to sing with a high school choir today? The possibilities are really quite endless, how we can make music together.
This is a great success, and I think the kids are excited about it. I know the directors are too. I've already asked, when are we doing this again? Because it was an exciting experience to see our kids get to sing along with those college kids and with their peers across town at Waco High. There's nothing like making music in these times of COVID.